product. This product is composed of one main box and one handle. There was one control panel with 13 ways, and also the 6 sockets for the shunt circuit, and one pair of the main sockets that at the bottom. Okay, let's get to the side of it. Here we have the diagram for the all connections inside. Okay, as you can see at the bottom here, there was 6 sockets outside. Okay, that was the 6 branch here I've even shown, which were controlled by 3 mccbs, which were 16 amperes and 10K products. And uploading here, there was the RCD that protected the people from the residue current. That would be 40 amperes, yes, controlled with the 3 poles plus neutral poles. And the residue current is set with 30 milliamperes. And up here will be a 3 pole of the 32 amperes and 10K miniature circuit breaker. And it can be also replaced by the isolator or fuses, anything you like, to protect the whole system. And up here will be 3 indicator lights that will show the conditions of the 3 phase. So as here you can see, the outside is the main circuit, and here, here is main circuit. Is a whole system, and here you can see is the neutral line, and here is the earthing line. And you can see here from the inside of it is the red one we just mentioned, is the incoming for the circuit, and here is the outside. Okay, and let's go to the bottom of it. Here, as you can check, here we have the executive standard with the IEC 529 and EN 60529 system. This one is regulation for the IP level, and I will mention that later. And downside here, you have the dimension of 280, multiplied by the 380, multiplied by the 130 millimeters. That's the general dimension of this. And just as we mentioned in the PowerPoint, you can also choose the other sizes. Okay. And down here you can see here is the logo of the certifications we have got. It's certified by the ROS, also with the CE standard, and you can see here it's made in China, made by Ebasee. Okay, this is generally this product, and let's take a look at the details. Okay, so let's go from the upside to the bottom. Okay, so at this upside here is the handle over there, and inside of the plastic shell you can see there's a caliper paper. That's the indication. You can write down things that to indicate what it will be used of. And up down here is the name board for this product, and you can see here is also written in the Spanish. That's the WLOA Faena. So means the industrial platinum sockets, and the whole product is 380 and 220 VAC. And up here, down here, it will be the control panel. This one is protected by one shell with 3 screws, as we can open it. And here is 2 buckles. We just open it. Okay, to the half position. And you can see here also the rubber strip to protect it with the IP level, okay, to waterproof. And this shell can be also opened with the 180 degrees, so we can operate them easily. Okay, let's put it back. So inside here you can see the basically, I think I should build this. Okay. This one you can see is the indicator lights with 3 ways. You can also choose different colors with green or blue. You can just examination, and you can check the product later on our main page. And beside here is the main control, as I just mentioned, for the circuit breakers of the 3 phase. And here is the RCD. This product is also controlling the whole circuit for each branches here for the 3 ways. Each way controls 2 circuits outside. Okay. So generally this is the control board. Oh, take a little detail look. Down here, I should go Down here was 6 sockets we just mentioned. They were connected together with 2 in each shunt circuit. So here we can see it consists of 16 amperes and 2 ports plus the earth link. And you can see here is the 1A and 1B, that's just a T, and the 2A and 2B, just a T. So 3 teams together, just to support all of these products. And these sockets are totally IP44 waterproof. So it can be also exchanged with other IP level products. It's like we also have the IP67 and also the IP54. So you can also change it with the needs you need. And the whole product is protected by IP68. Okay. So let's go to here. Oh, sorry. Here is the main circuit in and out for the main system of the electricity. And down here you can see it consists of the 3 board plus the neutral and the earth link. And this one is 380 VSC, and it's also consisted by the 60309 in the IC standards. So this is basically the outside of this product. Okay, now let's get into orbit. As you can see, here was 4 screws to make it very strong here. Then we just go in. So just not for a moment. Okay, let me make sure. Okay. Here we go. As you can see, the inside of the. Let me put it here. You can check the inside instructions. We have been connecting the wires with our engineers beforehand, and this one is totally finished the product. You can see all of the connections here are very well regulated. Okay. Also, you can see the details with the strips here to protect the waterproof, and the connectors with the O shape that to protect the screws, and also the niche here that can connect well of this box that has a very long lifetime of the connection if you open it very often. And here you can see as the neutral plate, okay, the contactor bus bar, and here is also the earth link. So each box is provided with the 2 protections. Okay. So you can see the space inside is very big, and you can just see there's no isolation between them, and it will not hurt the other circuits if you just close it. Okay. So if you have any ideas about this product, I mean the other designation, because this is just one kind of designation our customer has been made. If you have any other design or any other needs, just let us know, okay? Our engineer will give you the full solutions about this. Okay, we just almost finished these products here, and we have been asked many times that as last broadcast live, I have been asked that how could you show this, all of things is really testified with very good quality. And as we have been doing, as we have been having our own CNAS test lab, we have many types that are loaded with video, but it's too big for the field. So if you want any video from them, just contact us directly, okay? We will let you know. And today I especially prepared the video for the outer box of this. It's for the, let's just check the video, okay? Okay, here we go with our products being tested with the glow out, and this is part of our box outside shell, and we use this with the 960 degrees of the temperature to test it. And you can see after touch the flames just extinguish, and we will put the product until 30 seconds after. And during this time, there should be no flammable fires inside or any constant of the lights here. And you can see it's very dark. There's no problem with any fire. And you can see the temperature just go down, and now it's growing up. And it should be wait until 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, you can see the standard rules that there should be no flammable fire here. Yes, that's totally no flammable fire within a second. Okay, so it's really qualified. Okay, we just get a brief idea of how the glow wire tests are going with this box, right? Okay, next we will lead you to the brief introduction. Okay. Friends, we just get a good news that we just finished the test for updating the box of this model. So let's just check the video, okay? As you can see here, it's a totally brand new model here, added with the instantaneous stop button, and the functions are totally the same. You can see the breakers controlling the two sockets here. Yes, these are protected by the CD, and each line should be tested with the lights here. Everything goes well, and also here is the main control, and out there is the lights. And here is the basic general loads. At the side here, we added with the 3 sockets, extra outlets, and it's protected by the circuit breaker here. And we should test them one by one. Okay. Actually, this product is totally changed from our older samples. Here we have Mission, and it's also designed well.
这天按钮要开，这天按钮是的，这天按钮，这天按钮，对。
Okay, since we have just known about this new product of the upgradations, so it's totally a new model, and we're gonna release it within the next month. So if you have any idea or interest on our new models, please just let us know, okay? Okay, friends, so do not lose any good chance here, okay? And we also have the new products here. And this one is the box, is an empty box, but it's designed for our Spanish customer. That is used for the elevator control. And it's just one solution here with different buttons you can switch it here. Yes. And if you have any other design, just let us know. And here is another beautiful product that we have here. It's very good usher, and it's very commonly used in Europe. And we have been asked many times, as you can hear. Here's a lock. Open. Inside there will be the connection board, just like the distribution box here. As you can see here, I have 12 ways, also the dashboard, you can check everywhere. And you can have the inside the steering wheel, okay, can change, adjust the height of it. So this is really amazing product. Also is for sockets here, also have the PG connector here. All of this product is IP65, okay, so it's really good. And talking about all of these new products, let's see what you have in our community. Okay, let me check here. Let me check the comments. If you still have any questions, please just let me know, okay? And let me check here. We have a lot of comments asking about the MOQ of this product, if we need to design it. Okay, if for any designation, so first you just let me know your designation, the detailed wiring diagram and also the instructions. And we will talk with our engineer and see how should we do with that, and if we need to open new modes or any other needs. So after this, we will calculate and give you the final prices like this. So the quantity basically should be above 1,000 pieces. Okay, that's the basic point. And the second one. Can the other boxes also be changed with? Yes. As today we just show one junction box, the prototype, and we also have different junction box series. But due to the time limit, we don't have enough time to show them one by one. But you can just contact us by the one-by-one chat, and we can send you the catalogs, and you can read all of the details. Okay.
Jimmy, how about today's shoe?
Well, like our last shoe, we will start from the packaging. After the packaging, I will do a brief introduction about the appearance features of our GMC contactors. Then we will open the products to see the inside structure and the materials. After that, we will do a brief introduction about how to wire this item and how about the operating mechanism of this product. So keep watching.
Okay, Jimmy, how about the packing for this item?
Well, we have prepared in a box for the GMC contactors. As you can see, let me show you. Okay. You can see here print with our brand and the product information. And the whole packaging looks very nice and well designed.
Yes.
And at the side place, you can see the product specification. Okay, just like this.
Yes, as you mentioned, if you just print our Ebasee logo on the box.
Yeah.
But if our customer don't want our logo, is there any option for them?
Sure, we also provide neutral packaging for our new customers. Maybe their first order quantity cannot reach our MQ, so neutral packaging is a perfect choice for them. We also could accept OEM service. If their quantity can reach 5,000 pieces, we can customize this inner box according to our customer's demand.
Okay, so how much quantity to a box?
For different specification, the packaging method is different, especially the dimension of the inner box. Normally, we pack one piece AC contactor into one inner box, and several pieces into one of carton, just like this.
Okay, thank you. I say Jimmy was the next.
Next, we will move forward to the products. As you can see, the AC contactors on the table is our GMC series AC contactor. Just to get a closer look, okay? As you can see, let me show our audience.
Yeah, I think this contactor is very special.
Yeah, the appearance of this item is very, very special, which is almost similar to the LF type contactors, which is very popular in the market. And also, I trust our audience may be concerned about the main specifications of this item, so let me introduce it. This item has 6 firm batteries. The rated current covers from 9 to 800 amperes. It's a very, very large range.
Yes, wow, it's great.
Yeah, very great. Okay, we also maybe our audience maybe also have demand for the miniature contactors, which is mainly for household using. You know, this item is mainly for industrial using. You know, for our mini contactors, we also has another show which is bring by my colleague Queenie and Hope. If you not watch that show, you can check our reply in our homepage.
I see the front side or print Ebasee logo. Can we accept OEM logo on our products?
Sure, of course. For this item, we can also accept the OEM service.
Yeah.
But you know, talking about the OEM service, we have to mention our MQ again.
Yeah.
Normally, if your quantity can reach 3,000 pieces, we can print your brand here. You know, this quantity is lower than our inner box MQ.
Including the OEM packing?
Not including the packaging. As I just mentioned before, for inner box, our MQ is 5,000 pieces. But if you want to print your brand here or change some other information here, our MQ is 3,000 pieces. It's a little lower than the inner box.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, and you can see at the side place, it is equipped with the auxiliary contacts.
Yeah.
For different frame level, the number of the auxiliary contacts is different. If you wanted to check the details, you can check our the information in our catalogs. Yeah.
Yes, if you are interested in this course, please leave your message on our screen. We will contact you one by one.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, Jimmy. If this product have any certificate?
Sure. This item has a CE certificate, which is strictly according to the IEC and the EN standard. So quality is very guaranteed and the performance is also excellent.
Yeah.
And you can see here at the top place, take a look. Get a close look. This information is about the specifications of the inner coil. You can see here, just like this.
Yes, this is important specification for our
Yes.
customer to the
Yeah.
contact.
Yeah, it's also obviously right.
Yeah, so Jimmy, how about the installation of this contactor?
Same as our BC1D contactor.
Okay.
For our GMC contactors, it also has two types installation type. You know, thin reel installation and also narrow reel installation. For small firm levels, normally it's thin reel installation, but for larger firm levels, it's thin reel or narrow reel installation.
Yes.
Because the size of the big current frame level is so big, so we're not displaying the products here.
Okay, so that this contactor have any accessories?
Accessories, of course, we also have accessories, as you can see displayed here. Take a closer look.
It is some relay?
Some relay and the auxiliary contactor.
Okay.
In our last show, I have shown our audience how to install the thumb relay to the contactor.
Yeah.
The process is almost the same as our BC1D connector, so I will not show this process again in this show.
Okay.
So how about I show our audience about how to install the auxiliary connector,
Yes.
so they can be more simple. Okay, I just choose this one.
Yeah.
Okay, take a close look. Okay, you can see here, this place. Very easy to install.
Easy to install.
Yeah, this one is installed at the front side. Okay.
Wow, Jimmy, thank you for a great introduction of this product. I trust our friends know more about this product. So what's the next?
Next, we will enter into the analysis of the inside structure and the materials of this item.
Okay.
So let's use this one, take a look.
Will you open this product?
Sure, but first I'm going to introduce the outshear materials of this item.
Yeah.
The outshear material we used is PA66 anti-fire nano, which could provide a protection for the products, also for your circuit.
The high protection mode.
Yeah, so now let me open this product to see the inside structure, okay? Give me some moment.
Yes, if you are interested in this product, please leave your contact information for us. I think it's hard to open.
Yeah, a little.
Why can't all see the coil?
Coil,
Yeah.
coil here. Yeah, you can pull it out. So, as you can see, I just showed you. If you buy this product and maybe you use a long time and maybe when the coil is broken, you wanted to change a new one, just follow the steps I just showed you. It's very easy to replace the coil. Just like this. Okay, now let's take a look at the inside components. First we get is the base. The material I just introduced to you is the PA66 and coil level. Yes. And in the base you can see this part is the armature. And we call it fixed armature because it cannot move. And this is the spring. And we also have the coil just introduced. And at here you can see this part is also another armature. It can move, so we call it movable armature.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now let me introduce you the material of them. For the armature we used is the silicon sheet, silicon steel sheet. And for the coil, the material we used is the vanish-shaped wire.
Okay, so what's the important component for this product?
Talking about the most important component, I have to mention the contact point. We cannot open the product totally, so you can't see the contact point. But I can show you where it is. You can see here inside. This part is the contact board, and under the contact board you can is the contact point. So contact point is very, very important for product. You know, the material, bad or good, will determine the product performance.
Yeah.
Normally for the contact point, the material we used is the silver. Also for the silver, for the silver, it also has the different percentage.
Yes.
Now, for our item, normally we use 50% silver point to ensure the product quality.
Yes, that we have higher silver contact.
Sure, for some customers, maybe they have a higher requirement for the product quality and the performance. So we also could make 80% silver point.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, some products in the market, maybe they wanted to meet their customers' low price, so they just use maybe just 30% silver point. It will it will affect the product quality and performance a lot, and badly it will also cause some accident, such as the fire or even the explode of this item.
Oh, it sounds so dangerous.
Yes.
Well, I think our product is more profitable and good.
Yes. We provide this item based on a reasonable price, but the quality also very good, also guaranteed.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Jimmy, what's the next?
Next, we will do a brief introduction about the wiring of this contactor. Also, I will introduce you the operating mechanism of the AC contactor.
Yeah.
For this part, I have prepared a video to show our audience, which can help them get this point more clearly. Okay,
Yeah, I think
just to
so.
check the video. Okay.
First, let us take a look at the function of each terminal. We start from the A1 and A2. This set of terminals is used to control the internal coil. And L1, L2, L3 is the ongoing terminal, which is the input lines from the circuit breaker. The terminals at the right side is the auxiliary contacts. NO means normally open, which will close when the coil is energized. NC means normally closed. It will open when coil is energized. The terminal you can see at the button place, marked T1, T2, and T3. They are the outgoing terminal, which is the output side. When the inside coil is energized, the armature will drive the two contact points meet together. You can see just like this. Then the electricity could flow through the AC contactor. When the coil is de-energized, the magnetic film will disappear, and the spring between the armature will enforce the two contacts apart.
Pretty clear. How about the application of this contactor?
Well, a conductor can stand as its own as a power control device or as a part of a starter. Contactors are used in applications ranging from light switch to the most complex automated industrial equipment, such as motor or pump. They are used by electrical equipment, which is frequently turned on or off.
Yeah.
And the function of the conductor is to make and break all power supply lines running to a load or rapidly establish and interrupt an electrical power circuit. Some major applications of the conductor include lighting circuits, heaters and transformers, and some other environment. Also, contactors are often used to provide central control of the large lighting installations, such as the office building or retail building.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Really learned a lot from today's show.
Yes, I hope so. Okay, friends, this is almost our today's show.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching and accompanying. If you have demand or interest for the products we have mentioned, please contact us directly, and our professional service team will contact you one-to-one to talk more details.
Yes.
Hi everyone, welcome to our RC live stream. And this is Queenie again to introduce you about the new products of the SPD and the AC contactor. And I have been 4 years to work at Ebasee, and my market is mainly focused on the Europe and the South America. And for today's content of the products are very wholesale at the Europe and the South America. And now I will show you the more details about our products. Products of our SPD. Yes, and for our SPD, they have different types used to suitable for the MCB and RCCB. And firstly, this is the EBS2U, and this is our most popular around the markets. And the next is the household contactor, which is the thin rail products to use together with the SPD and the MCB RCCB to protect our life together. And for the EBS6CH is our popular among our markets. So, how SPD works and works is necessary to know when choose SPD. This is the question most of our customers or audience you guys want to know when you choose the SPD. And today we will show you next. And second, what are vital parts of the household contactors? So the contactors have different components inside. So what is the vital parts of this product when you use? And what is the most important when you send the inquiry to the suppliers? And what is the most important you want to know? Now let us begin today's live of these products. Yes, and for the SPD, they are for our SPD to use. And firstly is the shell. The shell material is the fire resistance. Next is the screw. For the screw is with the high quality 4.8 screws. And if you have the special demand for another like the 8.8, we could do the customized service for you. And then it's about the dust cover, and the dust cover is used to protect our screws when you use to protect the dust inside our screws, and then to protect our products to use more fluently. Then it's about the window indicator, and the window indicator is show that when the product is used normally, and the window indicator will be green, and when the core has damage during your use, and the window indicator will be red. Next is about the most important of our SPD is the protected divers. Is the core of our SPD, and for this SPD, and this is about the insert horn. So this horn could be replaced when the SPD is damaged, but the base is okay to use. So just change the core. So it's very convenient when you to change the product. It's not used to change the whole product. Finally, it's about the auxiliary contact. The auxiliary contact is to show the control by remote, by your computer, or to link with the signal to show the products. When the product's operational is okay, so the signal is good, and when the product is damaged, so the signal will be shown to you, then you need to change the SPD. Okay, for the above factors are the most important for the SPD, and the core of our SPD is the most important, and this is the base of our SPD. So the base and the core of SPD are separately, and if you need to change, you can only change the core or only change the base. It's okay for us to offer. So next we'll introduce you more details about our SPD core. So as you can see, and they have three important components inside our SPD. And firstly is the metal oxide varistor, and this is the most components of our SPD. There have two types of SPD. Firstly is the metal oxide varistor, and the next is the discharge. Discharge is for the different use, and the most of our SPD is used the MOV to inside our components. And the next you will see there is the solid connection, and the solid connection is the connector, the screws and the spring together, and to keep our SPD works normal. And then our audience and the customers would wonder, and what is the SPD to work when you use this product? And normally when you use the nominal voltage of 230 voltage for this SPD, so the resistance for our MOV will be very, very big. So the current is not allowed to pass through it. Then our circuit could work normally. And when there has a change voltage, when the voltage is increased or there have a transient voltage, then our MOV resistance, so the current will pass through to our SPD, then to protect our house life motor. As we know, when the lighting happens, and the voltage will be very, very big. So it's very important for the SPD to use as our home protection. Then the next question is about what we can know about when the SPD we need to change. Then there is the function of the solid connection, and when the SPD is damaged, there will have a heat to occur on the solid connection. Then the solid connection creates a heat, and the solid connection will be broken, and the spring on the photo will be forward. Then the product will be closed, and then the windows will change from the green to the red, and it shows our customers need to change the SPD. Yes, and it's very important for our SPD to protect our normal life, and the same as our AC contactors. Yes, and for the specifications of our SPD, normally the most important specifications of the SPD is the protection level, and the protection level include the Type B, Type C, Type D, and for most use, the Type B and Type C is enough. And for the Type D, is used for the accurate equipment protection. And next is about the current. And the current of the SPD have two types: is the rated current and the max current. Yes, for our rated current include the 10 kiloamperes, 20 kiloamperes, and the 40 kiloamperes, and the 100 kiloamperes. So it's decided by our customers and their market, and what is their need, then we could offer you. So if you guys have an interest to our products of this, it's very important for you to send us the current and the voltage. Yes. And next is about the connection of our SPD. And there have two photos of our connection. One is for the single phase, and the one is for the three-phase. They are both for the TD system, and they will have a link of the earth protection. As we know, when the lighting happens and the voltage and the current is very big, so we need to make the earth leakage is very important when you use this SPD. Yes, and the SPD, the SPD details and what we explain to you is more about the components and the function of it. And now, as very important as the SPD, the house contactor is a good product to protect our normal life. And now it's about the details of our household contactor. As we can see, this is the inside components of our household contactors. It's similar with our AC contactors to use in the industry factory, and they have the coil and the magnetic parts of this one. But they're very different of our other AC contactors. It's about his size its compact structure. So they have different features compared with our normal AC contactors. Firstly, it's the model installation, smart design, and the compact structure. And secondly, is the standard DIN rail installation. And for this model, it's suitable for TH35 7.5 steel mounting and standard modular. And this says for this modular contactors could be installed with our mccb, rccb. And thirdly is the dimensions suitable to distribution box and could be installed in our consumer unit and to use with our mccb, rccb, and also the SPD to protect our house motors. And next is about the high protection with fire resistance material. For our this fire resistance materials, the PA66 is very safe for you to use. These AC conductors and with the different size and with different ports. So you guys, it's very important for you to confirm which products you need. Please tell us about the ports and the size what you need. Yes, and this is my technical parameters of our household contactors. It has the different ports from single to 4 ports, and the voltage and the current will be different. And the most important is about the contactor quantity. They have different 1NO and 1NC for the open and the closed accessory contact. So it is also important if you want to know about what products you need. So this is the one specification you need to confirm with us. Yes, and for the SPD and the household contactors are our most sale products according to our customers' feedback, and we received many inquiries from our customers, and they came from different countries, include Asian and Europe and Africa and South America. No, to be honest, these two model products are the normal used in our house and in the hospital and in the office, and it is normally to protect our normally life. Yes, and this is our Ebasee cases for use our products.
everyone. Welcome to Ebasee Live Room. This is Kiwi speaking. I'm so glad to meet you again. This is my partner, Mark. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Kiwi. Hi, everyone. This is Mark. Nice to meet you all here.
Yeah.
Kiwi.
Yeah.
I remember that you told us you will not attend this online conference. So why are you here today?
Okay, yes, you're right. Before this Canton Fair, I can't imagine how to attend this Canton Fair without booths, without products, without visitors. But today we are enjoying this Canton Fair by the new business style, through this I-preview, I-matching, I-service, and I-travel. And some of our friends, they are enjoying this I-promotions.
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
I was told that you will share something about the African market. I know you are responsible for that market. So how many years you focus on African market?
Well, it is near to 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
How old are you here?
Well, it's secret, okay. When I was young, I have been to Africa markets, Ethiopia, South Africa, and Tanzania, Kenya, and Ghana, and some other African markets. To be honest, I love African markets very, very much. I love the people, they are friendly, and I love the nature, especially for the white animals, and I love the food. They are very delicious.
Okay, so what information you will share with us today?
Well, yes, sure. And today's topic, I will share this fast-moving products in African markets, and I will share the solutions for our partners and the new business style in Africa.
Okay, great. I can't wait to know it.
Okay, calm down. Let me know how many audience. Friends, please type your message. Where are you from? Let us know you.
Yes, dear guys, dear audience, please leave your contact name on the screen and let us find you.
Yes. Okay, now let me introduce you the brief of today's topic. Let's watch the presentation together. And today's topic included 2 points. The first one, why this box is hot in Africa. It will take 15 minutes. And the second one, how we can reduce import tariffs by 30%. It will take 10 minutes. And the third one, Ebasee in Africa. It will take 5 minutes. So let's go on the first one. How this box is widely used in our daily life, but here's one thing that troubles the buyers.
Shovel?
Yes.
Shovel.
Well, Mark, this box is the big volume, right?
Yeah.
So the quantity is limited by the containers, even though you want to buy more. But considering the shipping cost, it will not cost effective. But today, I will share you how to help our partners to earn more. Okay, let me introduce this model, EBS11D, for details. Okay, this one, EBS11D, is used in various applications like home decorations, hotels, business office, and engineer projects. Let's see these features about this one. This one materials, it is made of cold rolled plate screen. So the application grade is RP30, and this one with the large opening angle, it can be up to 120. Okay, the cover, you can see, it's with the refined processing. With these features, it is very rugged and durable. Okay, let's see more clearly. This one is including the flush and surface type of installations, and it has 4 weeks to 21 weeks. And here this one, we have the multiple size of the knockout holes to meet different requirements. For this product, we have 33 millimeters and also have 25 millimeters. Okay, high point light, this one. The thickness, you can see here for the steel plate, the thickness is 0.8 millimeters, and after coating, it is up to 1.0. And let's see this samples clearly. Mark, you can show to our audience. This surface is very smooth because of this procedures. And the logos, we put the Ebasee logos. Also, if you have your own logos, we also can do OEM for you. And for the holes, the four sides have this holes. Yes. Okay, so let's back to the inside. What are the inside installations? Let's go back to the presentations. Okay, you can see the whole content of this box. This one is 12 weeks, so let me show you. This one is the earth terminals, and it included 15 terminals. And this is the natural terminals. It also has the 15 terminals. And this one, the bracket, our material is PC, and so it is very flame retardant. And this one, this circuit breakers, we have the bus bar inside. And because of this 12 weeks, so it included 13 pin bars. And someone will ask, how to install this circuit breakers? Okay, let me show you. For the 12 weeks, it includes the consumer units. Okay, some markets called main switch, and some markets called consumer unit, and also some markets called distribution box. And this consumer unit, 1 pieces. And for this one, we included the 3 pieces, 1 pole, 6 amperes, and the 2 pieces, 1 pole, 10 amperes. 3 pieces, 1 pole, 60 amperes, and 2 pieces, 1 pole, 20 amperes, and 2 pieces, 1 pole, 32 amperes. Here you can see this is the 2-pole RCCB. It is 3 amperes. And also some audience, you can see here, there's a base. Yes, I will show you details about our samples. But let's open it.
Okay.
It is very easy for the screws, you can open it. Okay, show inside.
Okay.
Yes?
Is this the standard installation for Africa?
Well, no, it's not standard. You know, different markets, they require different configurations. Such as in Ghana, they prefer to 25 amperes. But in Tanzania, they prefer to 20 amperes. And audience and friends, if you have different requirements, you can let us know. We can do the customization for you.
Okay. I see you take this bag from suppose. So what is this?
Oh yes, this is the bag that I want to show. Here the bag is included some accessories to install. Here's the stickers. And this is the cover. If you have some mccb left, you can put on the cover here. And here is some of the screws which you can do the installation on the back. So no worry about this one. Oh, here is the attention. You can show to your installation electricians. Power is safety is important. Okay.
Okay, and another question. I see in other boxes, the bus bar is U-type. I see this one is pin-type, right?
Well, we have the U-type. We also have the fork type. And so let me show you about our bus bar to improve this wiring. Okay. To check this presentations. In our daily life, some installation like this one has so many wires. It is very not easy for the install. But now you can see we use the bus bar. It can save more space. And just the mark ask me, what kind of bus bar? Here we have the fork type and also we have the pin type. And for us, let me show you. We have this pin bus bar, and this one is fork bus bar. And let me show you about our circuit breakers. Okay. This one, which installed inside, this is circuit breakers. It can be installed by the pin bus bar. And also you can see we have the double connections for the bus bar. So it can connect the fork bus bar also. Yes, it's very easy, so no worry about this connection. Okay, you know, Mark,
Yeah.
we have this communication installations, but someone will ask me, only this one can be completely installation?
Yes, this is the question I also want to ask. Is only this metal box can be installed completely?
Yes, you know, we not only for the metal box, we can install completely by the plastic box and also metal box. This one is the plastic box.
All plastic?
Yes, and you know, in our previous live studio, some colleagues already have introduced this box. Today I will not show details, but I can open it to let our audience to know this one. And if someone are introduced in this plastic, you can contact us on the below contacts, and you can send our messages, and you can connect our real-time connects. This one, this box, we have the TUV certificates. It is very elegant. Okay.
Any other specials?
Well, this inside configurations is different. You know, I can show you later for another box. It has the same configurations. Okay, so this one if you're interested in, you can watch our previous live studios. Okay.
Yes. Also, if you have any other question,
Yes.
please send inquiry to our email, service@ebasee.com.
And okay, now I will show. Okay, Mark, can you put over this one? Okay, I will show this model. This one also is fast moving in African markets. Okay, let us show you. Okay, this one is also the metal one, but Mark, you can check inside.
Okay, I have a
Yes.
question. Why this one, you use the oscillator, but another one is install the rccb? What is the difference?
Yes, good questions. That is why I'm willing to explain this one. You know, some African markets, they prefer to choose isolator as the main switch. Like Kenya, Ghana, they prefer the isolator. But some African markets, they prefer the rccb, residual current circuit breakers, as the main switch. Here, I will show why they use the rccb, not isolator. You know, because the rccb with the residual current protections. So in our daily life, some places like kitchen, bathroom, and the air conditions on the floor, it is easy to touch the earth leakage. So if you install this rccb, it's more safe. Yeah, that's why.
It's a good selling point. So you can imagine how your clients feel like if you shoot this box to your buyer.
Yes, so are you interested? You can contact us, and at this time, we can send you more details based on your market's requirements. Okay, Mark.
Yeah.
You know, that's the previous I just showed. We can help our partners to reduce the import tariffs.
Yeah. How to reduce that?
Well, let me show you. Okay, this is some package about our box you just showed. Just see this on the samples. Now let's show you the second topic about the components exporting. You know, in this daily life, some African markets, the government policy, they encourage local productions, and we ahead it. We not only provide this finished products, we also can provide the components CPD.
What kind of speed?
Well, let me show you.
Okay.
Okay. You can see this circuit breakers we have split into 16 components from the cover and the base, the coils, the magnetic interlocks, and the moving contacts and fixed contacts, and chambers handles. Okay, you know, we have the different models of circuit breakers,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So it includes we will split of different quantities. Some models is well divided into 25 items. Some items will split like this one, 60 items.
So I was confused that if I want to buy 10,000 pieces, should I tell you each the quantity for each part of them, or I just need to tell you I need 10,000? Do you have a solution for me?
Okay, I understand you. That is some customer counsel about it. Okay, you know, to make it more clear, let's watch this presentations. For these components, we have the very detailed data systems. For one course included how many items, components inside, and to match how many pieces for each one. And for the packing, you know, packing is very important.
How about the Ebasee packing?
Well, you can see this one. We package these components separately. Someone is based on the one carton. You know, our carton is 180 pieces. So we will package 180 pieces covers together. And some packages designed to this transforming boxes, you know, during this worker's status. Okay, you can see the cartons. We designed this outside boxes. Before we used the wooden boxes, but now we use the threaded paper package. Is more safe when transportation.
Okay, another question. I think for most of our buyers, if they only buy the CKD, it's no problem. But I think it's difficult for them to assemble themselves. So, does Ebasee have any support to the buyer?
Yes. It makes sense that because before do the CKD cooperations, we must to discuss with our partners what products you want to import, because different models will design different components. Firstly, we must recommend the suitable model to our customers, and once the model is confirmed, so we turn to the second point. Then we will design the production line to our partners. You know, we will do the how many work stages, the design how many pieces, daily production capacity you want. I will show you one project that we export to some customers. Their production capacity is 10,000 pieces for 8 hours, and I can show you details. Yeah. And you know, once the production line is confirmed, we will go to their local plant to do commission. here you can see this photos. This one, this I just told you. The capacity production is 10,000 pieces for 8 hours per day. Okay, and if you have 3 shifts, it can be more. So for this one, it included 32 workers' stations, and it also have the machines, testing machines, because you know circuit breakers must include the testing machine, like instantaneous characteristic testing and the breaking and making on off 5 times the testing machine, and also have the delay testing machines. So for this one, it included automatic machine. Also, we can provide the manual automatic machine. You can see. Okay, because maybe it's not clear for our audience, but if you have interest in to establish plant in your local market, we can do this solution. Our engineer will give more details for you. You can contact us on our website or on our service email. Okay, and let's go. After our products shipped into your local markets, our engineer will do what here? Our engineer will go to the local market to do training for them, for the workers. And also, the machine engineers will do the commission training for your workers. And before this, also, you know, if our customers can visit our factory, they can come to our factory to do the training on our factory site. So it's no problem.
Okay, that sounds very fantastic. So really good. And any other services Ebasee did in Africa?
Yes, not only for the training and the commissions, and every year we will visit the local markets. And for this one, I can show the video in the in the follow. You know, we have visit every market every year, and we did some market research. Especially, we help our partners to establish the internet website and some local local booths. We do the co-exhibition together, because someone will buy this components, and we help them do the training and how they sell them, right? That is the big things we want to do together to help our partners. So because time limited, I will show this video when finished our live room. Okay. So I know today's topic, because it has some customizations, we must do the solutions for you. So if you have this kind of requests, please contact us at service@ebasee.com, and also can add our mobile phone to get the WhatsApp and reach you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. See you again.
See you again.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your dad, to shine.